Box been sitting so long, a wasp done went up in my number plate, and I'm allergic to bees too. Try to get this wasp out of here without getting stung. Because if I get stung by this baby, I'm on my way to the hospital, so we don't want that to happen. Try to get this bee out of here without getting stung. Yeah guys, welcome back. Plan on getting the bike cleaned up. Haven't cleaned it up properly since I had the bike. I bought it and I've rode it and I just sprayed it off every time I rode it. Never really got a wash rag and soap and properly cleaned it. So I thought, why not come out here today, make a video on cleaning the two-stroke, because I plan on getting up in the morning about 11, 12 o'clock, getting ready, heading over to Cape Park. It's the weekend, so I plan on heading to Cape Park. Got a few buddies that might meet up that I've rode with a while back, probably like a year or so ago. The ones that you saw with the RM 125, the quad that I've drifted around, and the quads that we got stuck in the creek or the mud hole back at Cape Park. So I plan on getting the bike ready tonight, getting it cleaned up, getting all my gear, cameras charged and everything ready to go in the morning. And we should go out there, have us a good old time. Spend a few hours out there riding, hit the trails, maybe some mud holes depending on how deep they are. I remember last time hitting the mud holes and the outcome wasn't too good, but I know a few mud holes that I can actually go through, that I have to go through. It ain't a mud hole, it's a creek, but you have to cross the creek to get to the other. Oh yeah, mobbing the creek side. But that's the funnest way. But yeah, those are the guys I rode with. Had a pretty fun time riding with them. Bike's looking good already, got it cleaned up a little bit, still working on it. Just wanted to update you guys and let you know how far I've came. Really don't know what this black stuff is. When I bought it, it was on it, and you can peel, like you can run your fingernail across from where the frame is to this black stuff, and it's like some type of rubber paint or something. I don't know. You can feel the thickness of this black stuff. I guess this is like grip paint or something. Whoever had the bike sprayed it on right there to keep the paint from rubbing off on the frame, but this stuff still rubs off, and it just makes the bike look like crap, honestly. But yeah guys, I'm gonna get it cleaned up the rest of the way so I can have a clean bike for tomorrow, even though it's gonna get right back out there and get dirty. Just want to have a clean bike. Been talking to Roost. If you've watched this channel, you know he just picked him up a Jeep, and we're talking about hitting the track sometime soon. I know I said that a while back. Free all the time. So anytime somebody hits me up to ride, let's go ride. I'm, free anytime, free all the time. So whenever you want to ride, man. If y'all guys are close, y'all live around the North Georgia area and North Georgia area and want to ride with High Gear MX, and you live close and want to ride, hit me up in the DMs, and we might see what we can do. Might link up, might go to Cape Park, might go somewhere that you like to ride at. Bike looks a whole lot better than it did before, a whole lot better. And once I do the rebuild on this bike, and once I have the motor off and everything, I can get this bike cleaned up a lot better than it is. If you know, and if you watch my YZ125 rebuild, then you know about it. But I can get this motor. When I took the YZ motor off, I spent like a whole day just cleaning up the motor, cleaning up all the parts and everything, and I made everything shine when I put it back together, and it really looked good. Then I sold it and bought this bike, so I plan on doing the same thing to this bike, and I'm making it 100 times better, making it look like a beast of a bike. Might do the black rear, and you know, the blue front, like blue front, front fender, front number plate, and the 2 fairings. I might do those blue, and then the back half of the bike do it black. I saw a bike earlier on YouTube, I think, that had that, you know, style done to it, and it looked beast. So I might do that, or I don't know, if you guys send me a picture of a bike. Let's get this bike dried off. Not going to use a towel or anything to dry the bike off. Going to take it down the road a few times and get all the water off the bike just by air drying. They're outside, the ones who call the law on me all the time, so the law should be here any minute. Yeah, they're just standing in the doorway looking like, when's the dirt bike gonna come down the road so I can call the law on him? People are so annoying, man. Let them call the cops. Cops ain't catching me. That's a fact. Take her back one more time and we'll call it a day on the road, because I'm sure the cops are already on the way.